Alianza Minerals in the news recently as they identify new targets and expand Horsethief Gold Project in Nevada. Caught up with President and CEO Jason Weber. We ran through the details of the latest news and how this positions Alianza moving forward into next year.
Yeah, the release today was just a summary of the fieldwork we did this summer up at the Horsethief Project. Really, it was a lot of mapping focused on getting a good handle on the stratigraphy that we have at the property, really trying to use or define what age these rocks are. And that's important because as we explore these things and we see certain ages where these gold deposits are more likely to form, we can draw analogies to other deposits in Nevada. And at Horsethief, it's come together quite nicely. We've got Cambrian and Ordovician rocks, and right at that contact between those two ages is where Long Canyon sits. And Long Canyon is a significant new mine that Newmont purchased in the development stage from Frontier Development a few years back. And that's important because that deposit was found off trend. It was not on one of the sort of the tried and true trends in Nevada. It was located further to the east, and that really opened up sort of the exploration potential looking for these deposits elsewhere in Nevada. So that's a great key to the story for us. We're also seeing various different styles of alteration at that level. We're seeing, or at that age, and we're seeing different styles of, for example, jasperoid alteration, where we're seeing it in breccias, we're seeing it replace individual beds. So really exciting. We feel we have a system here that's probably fairly long-lived. It's come up through a good package, a good sequence of the carbonate rock. So we feel that there's a lot of room to host a gold deposit such as Long Canyon at Horsethief.
So accumulate the data, put a game plan together for 2020, and start drilling again next year. Is that kind of the plan?
Well, I guess the one thing is we did expand the project, the property size out to the east and to the south. So one of the things we want to do there is some IP to some geophysics to assess that area. A lot of volcanic cover out there. We see windows of the carbonate rocks that we're interested in that they underlie the volcanics. So wherever they can outcrop, we see them. We're able to categorize them, map them, take some samples. We're getting gold numbers out that way. Now we want to do some geophysics, and we're trying to get that done before the end of the year to just tie that back into the rest of the property. And that really just sets us up for next year for drilling. So we're looking now to sort of prioritizing these 5 different areas that we're looking at and where we're going to put our first drill holes. But we're looking at a 2,500 meter program sort of on the docket right now for as early as we can get in 2020.
Yeah, so that's one project. So that's a good update there. What, as far as what else you're doing there, what can investors keep their eye on for Alianza?
Yeah, we still have results from our last 2 drill holes at our Haldane Silver Project. That's a high-grade silver project in the Keno Hill District in the Yukon Territory. We drilled 4 holes. We recently announced 2 holes with the discovery of a new vein target there, so that was really exciting. And now we have 2 holes to go to be released that are targeting the sort of the main area of mineralization that the old timers dating back to the 1920s were exploring. So that's upcoming. We have results from our KRL high-grade gold project in BC to come out yet, and some of the advancements we made there with our ground mapping program we conducted this year. And then we have our other 2 Nevada projects with our partner Hochschild that we'll be releasing results from as well in the next few weeks.
Okay, Jason Weber, CEO, Alianza Minerals, ANZ on the venture, TARSF, OTC in the States. Appreciate the update, Jason. Look forward to catching up when you have more news.
All right, thank you.